Good morning, each and everyone. Welcome you to Kheda Park, or you can say Shahid Bhagat Singh Park. This being Tuesday, I think climate is somewhat not good or bad, because in between the thing, it's not here. People have actually come and gathered, you can say it over that in a mass to just stall on the road. Besides that, you can say it over that they are sitting there on the bench. And some of the pigeons are there actually just picking their, you can say it over the grains, you can see here. And wind is blowing, and this actually makes the perspiration to be really a bit dry, you can see here. और here, अब यहाँ पे I will just actually, just for my audience, I will tell something in Hindi or maybe something in English. I don't see. For the first time, it is second time. One lady I had taken from Uganda. I don't see. It your second. I think you must be hailing from Nigeria or somewhere. Nigeria. William Warigan, one of the poet. I don't see. And Halima Abdul Aziz, poets. They are my friends from Nigeria. Not one, but many of them are. I write poetry too. You can see here. Now begin with here. You can see here. We simply think this is the age of crisis. Crisis in the sense, yesterday you must have heard, the president of Iran was crushed, killed, it's not here. People tell it about that, let the world be one family. But when the reality comes, we are actually lagging behind. What about your opinion here?
You mean about the crisis in the world?
And the crisis in the world in the sense, suppose you're human being, I'm human being. Your color is something different, my color is something different. Country is something different. Maybe because of that, then we simply actually make some sort of bifurcation, you can see. You're sitting there, I think for the first time, I am the person who just called you. Like that, you can see. Why can't we talk? Why can't we utter? I tell many a sort of thing. Bhai, thoda sa please, udhar mein बैठ जाओ. Please.
हमारे पीछे अंकल हम
कोई बात नहीं, just 1 minute, 5 मिनट ले लेंगे तो भाईजान. अब यहाँ पे ये बच्चा पेश में खेलना चाहता है, ये इनका परमानेंट है, लेकिन ये गवर्नमेंट का है ना. जब ठीक है तो कोई बात नहीं. Now the question here is that, what's your good name?
My name is Nonso Philip.
Philip.
Yes.
अच्छा.
I'm from Nigeria.
What about your qualification?
Well,
Please tell me.
not any specific qualification.
Uh-huh.
I'm a self-trained individual
अच्छा.
based on education.
What about profession?
I have multiple career in music, in art, architecture,
Please.
and many more.
Many more. So suppose music is the thing that actually makes the person bring closure. Music makes the mind to be really supposed to relax, like that, you can say. Can you say something about music? What type of music? Can you actually just recite a little bit of the term you know?
Well, music is the key to my soul.
Yeah.
To explore the nature of existence.
Yeah.
And bring it to reality.
Yeah.
Through my words, my vibes. So that's what I understand about music.
Something is there that magnet people. Tears of the eye. Tears of the eye belonging to any part of the world, no problem. Second, music. Maybe you don't know what is the meaning of the music. Something actually goes inside the ear. Mind is actually present. Am I correct? Yeah. So here in India, how long have you been?
But I've lived in India for a long time.
Yeah.
Years now. It's going to 50 years since I've been living here.
Yeah. You are single or having?
I'm a single.
You are single, you can say. No.
I came here for study purpose. But along the line, I started getting
Yeah.
ups and downs. So I just relaxed for it.
How do you find India?
Well, India is sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad.
Man, you have got mixed feeling.
Yeah,
mixed feeling,
I
like-
got mixed feeling
Yeah.
because of the way some people mistreat. There are a lot of good people also. You can specify on a particular treatment
Yeah.
that is better or not better.
I think life is consisting of the two, eating and beating. Beating predominates. Beating actually represents somewhat negative, or eating somewhat positive, you can say. Suppose if a person actually talk, certainly something will be coming from the mind, from the heart. This is how a person will know one another, you can say. Suppose a man living in America, a man living in England, a man living in Portugal, whatsoever things are there. Through Facebook, they are friends, is it not so? We never met like. Even then we are closer, is it not so? They want to say it about that, if I come to India, I will meet you. Okay, no problem. If I go to Nigeria, I will meet them, is it not so? But this is not possible for the person who belongs to downtrodden class. It requires a huge money, like that, is it not say? So the question here is that world, if we just actually think of the population nearly, you can say more than necessity, is it not, sir? This is because of the reason I don't think it or that. Let there be something so people should come. I said now one question is there. Mandela, Martin Luther King, Abraham Lincoln.
Yes.
Can you tell a little bit their contribution in the, just you can say, a structure of the human being in the world, you can see. During that period, there was the fight of black and white. And India will be fighting of caste, upper caste, lower caste, like that. And this is likely to be eliminated. Unless and until it is eliminated, I don't think the thing will be there. Do you understand Hindi?
Yes, I understand. You know about racial war.
Yeah.
Racial war is limited to people with different mindsets and perception of human being. When I see people like Indians, I don't see color. I don't see color anyway.
Yeah.
I only see humanity. Depending on the way you treat me, that's what I recognize. There are also people within my own color, they mistreat me. So I can't say racial war is something subjected to me and not part of the system to discriminate.
Don't you think wherever there is war, I don't actually prefer war. Nobody should prefer war. We are actually advocating peace. So if the peace is there, certainly everything will be nice one. Now the question here is somewhere vested interest, maybe political, maybe regional, maybe world, whatsoever things are global. I don't care. This create war in the name of ego. Well, wherever there is war, have you ever seen any leader to be killed? No leader, nowhere in the world. It is common people, it is army, it is, you can say it about that, the person belonging to armed forces, those are actually killed, you can say. But leave it down. Now let us come to here, is not here. Martin Luther King sacrificed himself. Nelson Mandela had to live in the jail. Abraham Lincoln, what he had to do, everybody knows. Nobody can say. Besides the Booker T. Washington, I find it about that they did well for the development of the people actually just belonging to his race. Is not sir. Yeah, I don't know that much of that. Now the question here is that, is not sir, why can't we live in peace? We advocate peace. We talk about UNO. We talk about, you can say it about that other organization for peace. But the reality is something different. Different in the sense people do not want to talk to people. Maybe what is the reason I can't say, is not sure. But I find, for the last 9 months I have been coming to park. Every day I make it to be sanitated in certain area. After just talking to you, I will be just join that much thing. If you will, you can join my. Yeah. There is Sunday mission. Suppose 1,000 people are there. 2,000 hands. 2,000 plastic can be picked within no time. It's not sure. This is how park can be made nice and neat. And now last question about park. What about your ideology? What about your opinion about park, this park? How long have you been coming here?
Yes, I've been coming. I've lived in this area for like 5 years.
Yeah.
This is where I find solace. Whenever I feel trouble, I always come here to ease my tension. That's why you see me.
You are sitting there silently.
Very good. The tension. You see, the song I'm just composing now is about the war in my mind. And the issue of not living in peace is an issue of mind control by some hierarchy. Some luminaries in the society, they want to divide people based on color, ethnicity, many more. So this is confusion in the world of human. So it's something that everybody has to fight against because
not against. Everybody has to fight against self. If you rectify self, certainly everybody will be rectified.
This is limiting limiting the ability of humanity to excel. Like I've been here for a long time. I'm facing a lot of challenges, and the challenges is not that it's something that human can help solve, but because everybody's afraid, they don't want to involve.
What for? Is it not imaginary fear? Imaginary fear. We are talking. Are we afraid of one another? No. Had we been afraid of, I don't think it was we would have been actually talking like that.
Yes, the reason why the fear is that's why I mentioned mind control. It's an societal engineering.
Really?
Because
social engineering.
Yes, societal engineering. People create bad great misconception about individual because he's not from the area. They
Yeah,
can
yeah.
brand him a criminal. Like my name, I have a slaw. They used to know me, but I don't mind because
Let's say one thing more. Hannah. Wherever you go, certain person, whosoever persons are there, just confined to certain religion. Hinduism, maybe Christianity, maybe Islam, whatsoever things are there. Everywhere you find peace is there, love is there. Nowhere there is fight like that.
I've studied humanity. This thing has nothing to do religion. If I'm a Christian,
Yeah, yeah.
but,
everybody.
even if I go to my Christian church, they still discriminate me here.
Listen, man.
Not because
No. I simply want to say, whosoever person has got good soul, whatsoever religion he belongs, he is a Christian. Christian means
yes.
actually defines like that. I have read Bible too. I have read Quran too. I have read Ramayana too. Almost all the religious book. Is it not here? Nowhere I find any discrimination.
Yes, no discrimination is written in all this scripture, holy, holy books.
Yeah.
But this is the way individual. That's why I say individual.
Individual approach,
Perception.
perception, approach, thought.
Yes, so even like I mentioned Christianity. Even if I go there, they
First
still
of all, you are
mistreat
human
me.
being.
Yeah.
You are human being. You actually just originated from cell. Everybody originated from cell. You can say it about that if you go to the science, a story of life. And after that, you simply made yourself to be segmented, maybe because of the local region, maybe because of the world region, whatsoever things are there. And now you have got a sort of label. Is it not so? Or maybe you can say it about that a sort of trend, or you can say tag. I am this and this. In the name of tag, you are fighting. Beyond that, nothing is there. कुछ है क्या? Nothing. Now one thing here. You tell something about a music. If you compose, please sing it here. 2 lines or 3 lines.
Music.
Music or maybe song, whatsoever. Sham.
Is a divine inspiration.
Yeah. Okay, no problem.
It doesn't live in me,
Uh-huh.
but I have to compare the ability, to tap through the source.
Yeah.
Music.
Uh.
I have a lot of them. I sing. Always compose. But I don't.
One music, please. For my sake, you sing here. Is it not, sir?
War in my mind. War all the time. Mind control.
Uh-huh.
War in my mind. I'm in the battle of the mind and the thoughts. It's a golden divine.
Yeah. Very good.
Golden divine. So that is how I.
Very good. I just said, I have actually just a thing here. Lord, we pray for golden peace, peace all over the land. Make all men dwell in liberty, walking hand in hand. When is fear in ignorance, when is hate in poverty, let no man live in vain. This I actually compiled from Bible. You can say somewhere is like that. Repeat now. Then now, again, you tell your name. You don't say.
My name is Nonso Philip.
And now spelling it. And you're Nigeria.
Yes.
Which area do you belong to Nigeria?
I'm from the East Anambra State, Biafra land, Nigeria.
Usaini Abu Bakr, one of my fellow poeticans here. William Warrigan, he is also there. He is not here. So now, when you actually go there, you can just meet those fellow and just talk that I'm remembering them from here. I cannot go there. It's not here. Okay. Long live India. You tell. Long live India.
Long live India.
Long live Nigeria.
Long live Nigeria.
Very good. Long live humanity.
Long live humanity.
Very good. Thank you.
Let us not forget to fight.
Destroy
this discrimination.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Discrimination is
Thank you.
limiting our growth.
Okay.